Yep, I'm good. I'll just check the connections, make sure they're good.
Okay, well, we'll be upstairs then.
Okay. Okay, we're going to just check the connections in this little box here. Make sure our power is off. These wire nuts are too small. Making sure it's off, and they didn't even get this ground wire around the loop very good there. I'll show you how sloppy they were with that. So we'll take these wires are check and make sure that's off. So this one is a little short, so we'll take a little off of this here. There we go. So we'll get our copper even at the bottom and our insulation even at the top here. Get them lined up like that. Okay, we can take a little off of this other one here too. Get our wires both the same length here. There we go, we get them our same length here. So our copper is the same length, our insulation's even at the top, and our copper is even at the bottom. Take our wire nut. We'll twist it on nice and tight. We'll get these wires back down in here. Our two white wires here. They use the wrong size wire nut for number 10 and a 12. So we're going to take this one off. Yeah. Double check, make sure it's off again. So we'll get our wires lined back up here. The insulation in our connection here. here to make it the same length as our other wire here. Okay, so we'll get it down into our, down here. The other yellow wire, or red wire knot. Okay, so just push this down. See how our copper is even at the end here and our insulation's even at the bottom. So see how they're even here and the insulation's even on the bottom. Take our wire knot. Now we'll just twist it on there nice and tight. Make sure insulation goes up into the bottom of the wire knot. Now I'm not squeezing it, I'm just turning it. We'll push this back down into our box here. I'll leave it over here. I want to show you how softly they put that ground wire on the
Today's Friday? Today's Friday?
see the sloppy connection they did with the ground wire? Okay, so now we'll get our ground wire around here properly.
Is this second floor?
Yeah.
This
the new one.
down. This one's the new one, okay. We just have to make sure the hot water's on upstairs all the way.
They're gonna have air spit through the line, that's all.
What's that?
Air.
Yeah, well, they know that. I told them my jam.
So I'm gonna open this screw up a
We
little
just
bit
have to
here.
make sure.
It should be on and it should be hot. Here, we'll find out right now. Feel it.
No, it's cold.
And we gotta give it about a half hour to heat up. I just turned it back on.
Oh, you did, okay.
Oh, don't turn it off. I have to tighten those connectors.
Turn what off? I didn't turn anything off. I turned the water off. I didn't turn anything else off.
Oh, okay.
Why, you got it on off at the breaker?
Yes,
Oh, as
because
soon as he turns it back on, it'll be back hot.
you got to make sure it's
Yes,
filled
yes.
up so you don't blow out the heating element.
So you're saying you blew up the heating element?
No, I turned it off when you drink while you're draining it, because you'll burn out the heating element.
If I turned it off and you turned it off,
And,
how did we both turn it off?
All right. Now we got this wire around the ground screw properly. Push our wires back in here.
yeah, okay, so, yeah. Oh, that's good. No, I was gonna say, today is Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday. Oh, we got lots of time.
We're gonna have to sister that one. We'll buy that one over.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
I'll make the list. It'll be cheapest. Yeah. Cheapest I can get it anyway.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Be nice for them. They have a nice kitchen.
You're not gonna like the next idea. In order to get a new kitchen. Oh, hang on. He's doing it for you. Come on, let's go over it.
Okay.
Alrighty, so that is how to properly connect wires to a water heater. Peace. Thanks for watching.